Hey, are you ready to get fit? Yes. Are you ready to have sexy abs? Yes. Are you ready to get all the girls in the world? Yes. If you answer yes to all those questions, which I did for you, then you're good to come here. What's the words? I can work you out, but I can't work out my grammar. What did you say again? Oh, I don't know. But let's start. All right. Step one. Yes.
What do you want for dinner?
Spaghetti.
Okay.
What's wrong?
Nothing. You can after. I'll explain after.
No.
I'll explain after.
No, like really,
No, like do your YouTube channel like right now.
No, like really.
No, like, I'll explain after.
No,
dinner.
like
it's nothing major.
okay.
I don't want to do it nothing major because we have our own show, Barbie, in the dream house. So like, I don't want to do nothing major. Okay, bye.
Okay, you ready to work out? I am too. Step one: get your yoga. Get your yoga done with your squats. All right, yeah, do 30 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 8,000, 8,001, 8,002, 999. Woo! 10,000. Woo! Oh, I shouldn't. I said 999. I meant 9,999. Silly me. Alright, so how much did we spend on this? Oh, only 3 hours. It's okay.
Hey, honey, your spaghetti is ready if you want to go eat it.
Oh.
Your spaghetti's ready.
Oh, yeah, sorry, I feel like someone edited the video on accident.
Mother, stop talking. Yeah? Sorry, my mom just argues with her boyfriend.
Yeah.
Come here, pasta. Alright, honey. Alright. You ready to tell them?
Alright, so I'm ready to eat the dinner. Frick.
So,
Come on, I've been
guys,
waiting all day.
This is gonna be face this way so they can see you. Put your plate over here.
Oh. Did you shoot the video already?
Yeah.
Wait, no.
So on this today we're gonna be doing a mukbang, telling you guys what is happening and that what's gonna destroy our lives.
Alright, what's our mukbang today?
We got some spaghetti and some bread, very nice, and some big bread, and yeah.
Okay.
And a fork.
So hey guys, we're about to do a mukbang on some spaghetti. I am here with Barbie, and she did not just explain this to you. So that's why I am.
So yeah, it's some very bad news, and he's trying to hide his feelings in. But let's eat and tell him.
Okay. Are you getting this good sound quality?
Yeah. Hey editor.
Who's the editor?
I don't know. Make sure you do the mic.
Okay.
Wait, put it on our backs. Come on, we'll be back.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right, guys, we have the mics on our back, so you can hear us much better. So we have some very bad news today.
Oh yeah, what did you get?
So it will destroy our dream, our Barbie dream house career.
I'm gonna go to the restroom real quick. Wait, let me take my food.
So guys, I'll explain.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Alright, let's tell them and stop eating. Come next to me.
Alright, I have something to tell you. Well, we have something to tell you.
So, me and Ken deciding we're breaking up.
Yes. I know it's very dramatic. I just feel like I provide more than Barbie.
Editor. Editor, let's replay that and everybody's gonna say, oh! Okay?
Okay.
Alright. So, we have some very, sorry, I have the hiccups. So, we have some very bad news and me and Ken are breaking up.
Dang it, editor! It doesn't mean you gasped too. Frick. Alright, it's alright. It's alright.
It's alright. So we're breaking up. Very bad news. So I'm actually meeting the girlfriend of his is meeting up with us, and I'm about to kill her. I'm about to agree that.
Look, I just think she's hot. I just think she's better. She provides more than you. Alright, let's get her in. Please let her in.
Hi, baby.
Hey, how's it going?
Missed you.
Hey, miss you too. So, here's my, ex. Oh, well, Barbie, you know, you signed
Can you leave us alone for just a sec? Yeah, sure.
Barbie, I need to talk to you about something.
Stupid girl.
You signed a prenup, so you're living on the streets.
Sidebar. You didn't tell me. That's what you get. You didn't tell me that she's much hotter than me. Not much hotter than me. You didn't tell me, she has a brown hair. And you know I always wanted brown hair.
I always wanted to have brown hair, but you never got it.
Because I didn't have the money to afford it.
Well, I did. Well, you signed a prenup now, so you're living on the streets.
I'm back.
Oh, Barbie, can you, lead my ex to